We know colleges and universities across the Carolinas are trying to respond to the surge in COVID cases by starting their spring semesters virtually. UNC Charlotte was one of the first to announce that it would go remote for the first 2 weeks of the semester. WCNC Charlotte's Shamaria Morrison is tracking what other schools have done to follow suit since then. So Shay, how many colleges and universities in our area are going to be starting the semester virtually?
Well, at last count 4, and they all say it's in an effort to make sure that COVID-19 doesn't spread on their campuses. But we have to remember that most of these colleges and universities don't start school until next week, so things can change. As K-12 students head back to class, many colleges in the Charlotte area are taking a different approach to how they're responding to a surge in COVID-19 cases. UNC Charlotte announced it's going virtual for the first 2 weeks of the spring semester, a decision Kiara Davis, a graduate student, says is the right call for now.
If people are actively being able to learn online, then by all means keep it online for the safety until everything calms down again.
Johnson & Wales, Queen University, and Clinton College in Rock Hill are all beginning the semester remotely. Students at other North Carolina universities like Natalia Walker sounding off on social media, frustrated with being in person for some classes.
I understand wanting the full experience of school. At the very least, I think the flexibility of having the option of hybrid classes could be a good middle ground.
Many colleges are beefing up their COVID-19 vaccine and booster requirements instead of returning virtually. Davis says she understands trying to keep students in person. She also teaches first-year students who had trouble acclimating to college after virtual learning in high school.
But for them, it was hard for them to, whether it was to be on time for class, time management, just social interaction.
And other colleges and universities are taking different steps to mitigate COVID-19. Lenore Ryan University, they say that they are going to be delaying the start of the semester, and Wingate University says they're going to stagger the start of the spring semester. Live at UNC Charlotte Center City campus, Shamaria Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.
Thank you, Shay.